Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you AI Core review. So what actually is AI Core? Guys, AI Core is the world's first 200-in-1 Google Bird Farm to forward app suite that does everything: AI image variation generator, AI graphic editor, AI product name generator, AI keyword to video, AI text to video generator in just 2 minutes. Creator of this software, AI Core, Chatbot's company, and this software goes live on 25th of June, 10 a.m. EST. Guys, right now I'm in the sales space of this software, AI Core. This is my honest review, guys, so don't skip this video. I'm going to show you everything about this software. I'm going to show you pricing and OTOs of this software that no one can share with you. So guys, stay tuned. Guys, at first I'm going to show you of this software all the features and how actually works this software. This software works 3 simple steps. Okay guys, step number 1, here is you can see, just log in this software. This is the members area, you can see. And step number 2, create AI to image, AI keyword to video, AI text to image, guys. Okay, and you can also block content using this software, AI Core. And here is step number 3, use and profit this type of money they have claimed. But what is the reality, guys? I'm going to show you everything about this software. They have claimed this software is only $17, but reality is this software is the front end offer $17, but this software have lots of OTOs, guys. You can see the pricing of this software, AI Core. The front end offers $17, and then they have OTO number 1, $37. Then OTO number 2, $47. OTO number 3, $67. OTO number 4, $97. OTO number 5, $67. OTO number 6, $47. OTO number 7, $77. You can imagine it, they have lots of OTOs. When you purchase the front end offer only $17, you can see the lots of OTOs inside the members area of this software, AI Core. They have pushed you by email, and they will force you by email to buy all the OTOs, guys. Okay, and they have claimed this software have 30 days money back guarantee. So guys, they claimed you have no problem to purchase it. Okay guys, you will be able to create this type of images using this software. If you use this software, you will be able to create this type of image, but you will be able to create this type of image using free software that's called is Microsoft Bing. Here is you can see, guys, Microsoft Bing. You can open Microsoft Edge browser, or you can search on Google Microsoft Bing. Then you can see the Microsoft Bing, and when you see the Microsoft Bing, you can just click here set, and your mood, obviously you can keep your mood on more creative. Okay, then you can put your prompt here. I just put my prompt here. Okay, this is my prompt: create a white cat image whose eye is blue. So let's see how looks like, how good picture Microsoft Bing created for me. So let's see the picture. This is totally free, guys. You will be able to generate unlimited image using this software, Microsoft Bing. This is 100% free, and this is the better than this AI Core software. You will be able to create images. Okay, here is you can see, guys, this is the image. Okay, looks amazing. Okay guys, you can obviously make the background green. Can you add to hat to it? Okay, I just can you add a hat to it? Okay, they will add. Okay, just okay guys, your image is generating. Yes, I will try to add a hat to it. They have generated for you to hat. Okay, and you can command this one, and you can see, guys, my cat like beautiful. Okay, this one awesome. Beautiful, beautiful. This is beautiful. You can regenerate. Also, you can see your past generated images, then second, and you can also put your command, make it look like faded cat, add some white square. Can you change the color of the hat red and make it look like a faded cat? I just put this command. Okay, how looks like, guys. I'm going to show you also all the information about this software AI course, so stay tuned, guys. Okay, and what type of image you need, you just put your command here, guys. Okay, and here is, you can see these images, they are generated for me. Wow, looking really, really good, looking really good. This one is awesome. Okay, so you can customize it and make it look like a ninja cat. Now can you add a ferret on the shoulder, add some gold coins around the cat, add some gold coins around the cat. Okay, I want to see the gold coin around the cat they have generated. Stay tuned, guys. Okay, this is very interesting video for you also, and you can also check out all the link in my video description below. Okay, guys, I put lots of information for you if you are a marketer, and you can see this is more Garcia's, this one. Okay, this one is awesome. This one is looking beautiful. Okay, you can use it, guys, at your own image. Okay, right now, guys, I'm going to show you whatever you want. You can create everything that you want, guys. Just Microsoft Bing and just sat here, and obviously you can, here is the new topic. When you click create new topic, you can see the new topic and more creative. This option you can select, and then you will be able to generate high quality images, and they have claimed you will be able to make this type of money. This is the Warrior Plus screenshot. You never generate this type of money, guys. Okay, and here is the Firecracker. They have put here some Fiverr earning Fiverr gig screenshot. Okay, and some popular people on in the internet right now. Guys, right now I'm going to show you all the features what you will get inside the members area if you purchase this AI course software. Here is the members area. You can see this is the members area. I'm not able to play this video because they will copyright my video, so I never open sound. This is very basic image, guys. Okay, you can do the same image on Microsoft Bing. Here is the templates, AI images, AI set, speed to text, AI code, memberships, and dashboard. You can see. Okay, and product name generator, Amazon product descriptions, Amazon product research if you are affiliate marketer. And you can also generate content. You can generate ChatGPT, like I generate ChatGPT every single day. This is the ChatGPT. And you can also generate Google's Bard. Okay, guys, so this is totally free. So why you can buy this type of third-party software? Okay, and here is that they have put the demo. Okay, and this is the all the features what you will be able to create using this software AI core. AI content generator, number one, AI text to video generator. They have claimed text to video generator, but I don't know. You will be able to generate perfectly text to video. AI text to image generator. Google AI Chatbot, AI keyword to video generator, AI keyword to image generator, AI grammar correction, AI image variation generator, AI graphic editor, AI product name generator, AI interview generator, AI text summarizer, AI topic outliner, AI text explainer, AI sentiment analysis, AI proofreading, AI analogy maker. But this is all the features, guys, very basic. You can all the work on the free, totally free on the internet. Just search on Google and you can see lots of website to help you. Okay, and you can see 30 days money back guarantee, and they have lots of information put here. Here is everything what you will get, but not $17 this software, guys. This software have lots of money. You can see already the pricing here, and they have claimed 30 days money back guarantee. And creator of this software, Clickbots. I think Clickbots is a company name, but no real name here. Who is the creator? Who is the man behind this product? You can't see here everything. You can't see here anything, sorry, about the product creator, but you can see only the creator name is, the creator of the product is Clickbots. Never trusted this kind of information when you can see the sales page. Guys, I hope you understand about this software AI core. I hope you enjoy this video. Please like, comment and share this video. And guys, I never recommend to purchase this kind of software. If you want to purchase this kind of software, you can do that. Okay, I never recommend to purchase this kind of software. And if you want to create AI generated video, link in my video description below. I highly recommend check out the descriptions box links. I think these all links will help you to generate more money from online, or if you are online entrepreneur, then all the descriptions links that I have put will help you, guys. Okay, and you can share this video with your friends and family who actually buy this kind of software. Guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel and stay safe. You please like my video and share this video. Stay safe, you guys. See you soon my next video also.